Time has come to leverage the power of edge devices to perform collaborative machine learning tasks in real time. With distributed machine learning, you can harness the collective intelligence of smart IoT devices at the edge of the network, where they can learn from locally collected data and communicate with each other efficiently and robustly. This will benefit a wide range of IoT applications, such as smart cities, smart health, smart agriculture, and smart manufacturing. If so, you need to know about the latest advances in distributed machine learning for IoT. Nerlnet is an open-source library for research and deployment of distributed machine learning algorithms, targeting various IoT devices. It gathers information of both neural networks running on the edge and communication performance. Nerlnet introduces a flexible design of distributed machine learning systems, starting at the sensor that collects and shares data with others, through routers that control the data flow in the network until it reaches the edge compute device that runs a neural network, while considering computation constraints. Now with federated machine learning support, Nerlnet is officially applicable for various kinds of experiments. AI on IoT era begins. Join us now. We are AI. We are Nerlnet.